India Today has accessed the post-mortem report details that are out. Disturbing details. Radhika Yadav was shot with 4 bullets pumped into her body, and all these bullet marks have been found, confirmed on Radhika's chest, torso area. Bullets were removed from the body. The mortal remains have been sent for the examination as well. The government hospital has also revealed that there are details that have come in about 4 bullet wounds directly to the chest, which means most likely a point-blank range hit, and this happened while she was at her residence. The question here is, remember, that still prevails, that the murderer, allegedly the father, had admitted in the police FIR as well that he was the one to have shot his own daughter Radhika from behind. So if he has shot her from behind, was the wound in front, on the chest? During the post-mortem, all gunshot marks were seen from on the chest, from where the doctor's team have now recovered 4 bullet wounds. That means, remember, not an accidental hit. 4 bullet wounds clearly suggest that this was a direct, deliberate hit. My colleague Milan Sharma has been on the ground in Gurugram. She's tracking all the latest on this big story. Milan, as we look at these post-mortem details, 4 bullet wounds in itself shows that he wanted her dead. But why is there some sort of controversy or speculation over this?
Well, Pooja, the post-mortem report that has been accessed by India Today clearly shows that the 4 bullets fired by the father were fired from the front, and all those bullet marks are on the front of the chest, and that is very crucial information, because in the statement that was given to the police earlier, it was said that he fired from the back, and this is the big question that the police needs to investigate. The bullets were fired from the front. If the post-mortem is showing that the bullets were on the chest and the bullet marks were on the chest, then that needs to be investigated further. And what was the action that was happening at that point of time? We have been discussing that there could have been some altercation between the father and the daughter, and meanwhile the statements that have been coming out saying that the father went to the kitchen and she was cooking something for the mother because it happened to be the mother's birthday. So definitely there must have been some altercation, and that is something that the police will need to investigate.